Everyone, this is Charles Harper. I want to tell you about our most recent PLR, which is a little different from the videos that we normally offer. What we've done is we've made some of our training content available for you to be able to use it as text content. So we've taken the entire basic and advanced video course on doing an Amazon ACX audiobook and putting it together in contextual slide presentations for all of the videos. And we're also giving you the transcripts, which are hand edited to 100% accuracy. And as a bonus, we're going to give you access to the streaming course on Teachable to watch from your desktop and your mobile device. So it's the best of our over-the-shoulder video course that you can take and do in your own voice and use it for your YouTube channel, your videos, your products, and lead generation. To get it, hit the Buy Now button and get started. Thanks and have a great day.